Short overview video introduce and / or buyer's reviews of Apiga 48V Cordless Pressure Washer, 25,000 mAh Power Portable Electric Handheld Washer Cleaner. You can find wanted here. Shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification, type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include. LONGRUN Portable Power Washer, lightweight and compact design, can travel anywhere. You can use our mini power washer machine to clean cars, trucks, motorcycles, driveways, fences and bicycles in minutes. Multiple spray nozzle lets you switch between varying degrees of water stream intensity that lets you easily and quickly clean all your outdoor spaces and gear. This pressure washer makes your cleaning more convenient than others with interchangeable nozzles. The power washer's hose with a filter device. It can effectively filter impurities and prevent impurities from contaminating the things you want to clean, like your expensive car paint. This can also protect the pump and make it have a longer lifetime. Compared with traditional electric pressure washer, LONGRUN pressure washers is lighter and more portable. The power washer's electric powered allows you to get rid of the shackles of wires and use it at any time. It is the best choice for outdoor camping and long trips. With multiple accessories and high power, the electric power washer does a great job at home and garden for watering plants, cleaning walls, floors, baths, swimming pools, doors, driveways, fences, and corners that are difficult to clean manually. If you want to get full highlight features and full review, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe us and press the bell, look for all, press to get instant notifications of all future uploads.